Okay, so here's the problem with this Moen kitchen faucet. So there's a leak that's developed in here inside the valve, and it drips into here. You can see the water actually is dirty colored. It's not even clear, so it's picking up some debris from the faucet. So let's turn this plate to a new position, and you can see that the water's been accumulating inside, and it spills out when there, you should see some water coming out. And it continues to drip. And if I turn this again this direction a little bit, it should be clear. The water is dirty, and it continues to drip.